sunshine. Oh my goodness. Guess what? I was contacted by Causebox and they asked to work together. I am so excited for this opportunity to work together. Oh my goodness. I seriously have such a big box sitting next to me. I'm not even kidding. Don't go anywhere. Just stay right here so I can show you the size of this freaking box. Holy crap. I'm gonna tape it up. I don't even know if it'll all fit in my camera, but just to give you an understanding, it's a large box. Okay, I'm gonna put this back down on the floor and we're gonna unbox this together. So I'm very excited. I have never unboxed Causebox before on my channel, but I am so excited to get into this box because if you have never heard of Causebox before, you have been missing out because the products that are featured in here are sustainable and ethically sourced. So if you have been wanting to check out this box, I got the box here for you. We're gonna unbox together. I'm very excited, but here's the thing is, it's not just this box. This isn't the only thing. There's literally more products inside of this giant, massive box. So, if you've never been on my channel before, I hope you're doing absolutely amazing. We're gonna take a bubble wrap break together because this box has a lot of bubble wrap in it and I love popping it, so. My cat is on my bed sleeping and she is taking a nap and I just woke her up. She is not happy, but I am because we're having a bubble wrap break. So fun. Okay, so now that our amazing bubble wrap break is over, let's open up this box and let's see what is inside. Also, I would like to take a second and we can just look at this artwork. So beautiful. Have I had the Causebox? Have I been doing it like this the entire time? Probably, but that's how you can know I'm so excited because I'm not paying any attention to detail. Let's open this up. Okay, so I am literally opening up the lid as we speak. Oh my goodness. It's so big. I don't know how I'm supposed to show you guys everything. Okay, so here's the little magazine. We're creating a greener, fairer, and kinder way to shop. I am so excited to get into this box. I don't even want to read the magazine, but I'm going to put it to the side so for us to read later. So here is the inside. Here's the inside of the box. Boom, so cute. Okay. Oh, I'm dropping products off of my table because I'm so excited. So I'm going to rip it open. Here we have a card. We have a little postcard. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, send me your address in my Instagram DMs. I'm gonna write you a postcard. This is so cute. I really love this actually so much. Okay, okay, I'm so excited. I can't calm down. This, I don't know what it is. 6-pack reusable silicone stretch lids. If these are for like sodas or something, I genuinely need these because, oh no, they're for bowls. Yo, instead of shrink wrap. That is so handy. I love this. Look at that stretch. So nice. Awesome. Okay, let's keep going. I'm so excited. I don't know what to do next. I genuinely do not know what to do next. I'm gonna pull this out because this is a big boy. What is this? This bag is 100% biodegradable. That is freaking awesome. Genuinely. I do so many unboxings on my channel and I always feel so bad about how much plastic just goes to waste. But it's really nice to know that this is 100% biodegradable. Let's open it up. If this is a handbag, like I might lose my crap. Okay, sheet 1, cardboard sheet 2. This is a freaking handbag. Oh my goodness, that is so cool. Oh my gosh, it's like Christmas morning. I'm so excited. Okay, I gotta be careful with this though, because like I'm gonna break it. This is so cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I feel like an adult woman now. I didn't have a cute big tote bag like this. I have like small purses. I know I'm wearing this like office sweatshirt, but like look at the bag. Look at my bag. Look at my bag. This is so cute and adorable. I love it. Let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's another bag. There's another bag. Please, somebody calm me down because I'm freaking out. It's 2 bags inside of this bag. What is this? Ooh, is this for like, I don't know honestly what this is for. I think it's for like where you're supposed to get like stuff, like extra storage. I've never had a bag that has a bag inside of a bag. Can somebody explain this concept to me and help me adult better? Okay, honestly, love the texture though. It feels very, very soft. I really honestly love this color. I would have picked out black for myself because that's what I normally go with. But I feel like for the days where I dress up and like go out and be the Pinterest worthy fall girl that I aspire to be all year round, this bag is perfect. There's one thing that I forgot to show you guys. It has feet. This is so cute. I know that I have lost my mind and we have only unboxed like 3 things, but I am so impressed and I'm so excited to pull out this next item. Why did I not sign up for this box before? Like I heard about it like once or twice on my Facebook feed and like I forgot about it honestly because everyone else always talks about like FabFitFun and stuff like that. But this box is filled with things that I'm actually looking for as an adult. Look at this cutting board. I need a cutting board. I just moved and I'm constantly running through cutting boards and I needed to pick one up this weekend. This has me so happy. So this is bamboo and it looks like we have a pair of tongs and a wooden spatula with it. That is so freaking awesome. Holy crap. I keep saying I'm so excited, but I am like, let me live in the moment. I'm so happy. Okay, let's see what this thing, it's a water bottle. Oh, I love water bottles. Okay, insulated stainless steel water bottle. Swell. I love that name. I love water bottles so much. So the only water bottle that looks great and do good. ThermoSwell technology keeps drink cold for 24 hours, hot for 12. Swell is proud to support charity partners to bring clean water to the world's poorest communities and protect our shared environment. Awesome. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that is such a pretty blue. Oh my goodness. They had no way that I would love this color. This is like my all-time favorite color. So many of the things that I'm buying for my new apartment are teal. I love this. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And I'm getting my sweaty fingerprints all over it. Sorry guys. This is so pretty. This water bottle is flexing so hard at me. Awesome. Love that. Okay, so I have 3 more small items inside of this box, but I don't want to get into these just yet. I really want to see what the bubble wrapped items are. So that is exactly what I am going to do. I'm going to see what these bubble wrapped items are. So we're putting the big box next to me and I'm going to pull everything out and then I'm going to put them in the back of the box. So I will be right back. Okay, so just to show you guys, everything kind of came bubble wrapped like this, which explains the bulkiness of that big box. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna cut through this one. This is like the largest item in the bubble wrap container. So love that bubble wrap. Let's see what this is. Oh my goodness, set of 3 nesting bowls. Salad, cereal, and dessert. Designed in California by Aaron Wolf for Pepper plus Vetiver. More than 130 million girls are out of school. This product supports the Malala Fund, a nonprofit working to ensure every girl can learn and read. I love this so much. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna like cut myself accidentally. And it's not... I don't even feel like I'm halfway through this box yet. These are so amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I feel like, I don't know how to explain this, but IKEA is a store that makes me feel so genuinely excited. And I feel like I just took a massive trip to IKEA and just got all of these super awesome items. Okay, so here's one bowl. That is so cute. Okay, here is the second bowl. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then here is also, I love, this looks like a clamshell to me. That's so cute. And then here is the third bowl. So if I can find a way to like show you all 3 bowls. That is so precious, adorable. I don't know. I'm just going to say I'm in love. Oh, I almost dropped them. Oh, it's been so bad. Okay, so cute. I'm going to put them back in the box for now for a little bit of safety from me because I'm very clumsy. Okay, so I'm going to going through all the bubble wrap. Bubble wrap's going everywhere. I'm going to keep going largest to smallest. So let's cut open this bad boy and let's see what we have. Ooh, PMD bubble wrap. I'm sorry, I have a problem. PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I've actually had one of these before, and it's really cool because I think that this is the one that you can use to like take off your makeup. And if I might be wrong, but I think you can actually hook this up to an app. I'm not exactly sure. I think I am wrong. But basically this just vibrates and it takes off. Well, I use it to take off my makeup. I have one in teal. So I actually genuinely like use this product. It's really cool to see that in here. I'm excited to see what else we have. Okay. Next bubble wrapped item. Cut it open. Snip, 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 snip. Okay, let's see what we have. Made in China. The reusable cotton rounds. Whoa! I've always wanted to try these. I've never known where to get them before. Reusable and washable. The material is bamboo fiber and cotton velvet. Well, let's see what they feel and look like. Also, wait, before I do, let me show you the box. Cute. Okay, let's see what they look like now. I can't figure out how to open it. Oh, I have to slice through the sticker. Okay, will do. Eek. I'm scared too because I think I'm going to cut the pretty packaging, but it's how they want me to open the box. What if I accidentally cut a pad? I'd be genuinely sad. So this says 3.1 diameter. There's a bag. And then, oh, they're so soft. What? They literally feel like velvet. That is so cool. Okay, these are really soft though. And they have a huge amount in here, honestly. And they all come in this little velvet, not velvet. These are all velvet feeling. This little cool bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Honestly, probably it told me somewhere on here. Oh, no, it doesn't. Okay, there are 10. There are 10 of these. That's so cool. I love that. Let's see what else. I can't believe that we're not even like done. Honestly, we're like low-key a little bit. These are 2 of the same devices. They're just in different colors. So I don't know if this was intentional. I may have received an extra one in my box. Not entirely sure though. I will read the magazine to let you guys know. Okay, so I'm not joking, but I have a third one. This is the one that I actually have originally. Like, and I got that in my Boxy Luxe like last Christmas maybe. So I have 3 of these. Ooh, okay, super bougie. Okay, so I'm gonna take away a little bit of excitement because I was like, oh my gosh, I still have so much more. And 2 of these products are of the same thing. I do like that I all got all different colors. I'm not really sure what's going on with that, so I'm gonna have to check out the magazine and see why, if that was intentional. Let's see what this is. That's it for the white boxes. So let's see what's inside of this. It says 3 container set. High quality food stainless steel. Ooh, what is it? Tracked tort, including negligence, strict liability, or otherwise. Okay. What is this? Mira? Ooh, are they reusable containers? Ooh, oh my gosh, it's like those Russian nesting dolls. Let's give you an example of like what one looks like. Ooh, I like the clanging noise, and then it just seals up real nice too. Like, here's what the underneath part of the lid looks like. And then there's one more. So are these just little like reusable containers? I love that. That's so cool. That leaves us with the 3 small items for this season's Causebox. Let's look and see what this is. This says serum, face serum brightening. I'm gonna use my scissors to pop this bad boy open. Ooh, I love the simplistic packaging on that. That's super nice. This is Volim Love Scrub, 3-in-1 hyaluronic acid, red tea, and seaweed microderm exfoliator. That's fancy. That feels pretty bougie, honestly. I would expect to see something like that in Pop Sugar. Okay, and the absolute last thing that I have to unbox, which I'm actually really sad. I genuinely enjoyed this box. It's been a while, like, I mean, put Quirky Crick aside, it's been a while since I felt like this excited about a box. And this is everything that I hope that FabFitFun would bring to me, like this level of joy, the variety of products, and the actual usefulness of products. I am interested in seeing how much prices are, but we will look at that in 1 second. So this came in this little baggy, drawstring baggy. Oh, is this a bracelet? That is so cute. I was hoping we would get some kind of jewelry item in here. That's awesome. I really was like looking to see if there was any like charm or anything on there. This is what it looks like. Oh, I love that. That is so pretty. I'm going to put it on right now. Honestly, I'm not very good at putting these on by myself because I always forget that you're supposed to stretch them out and not like squeeze your wrist into it. Okay. Boom. So cute. Okay. Let's look at the magazine and let's see if it breaks down prices for us. Okay. So I'm not going to say that I am the most intelligent person in the world. However, I'm not seeing, this is the only page that I'm seeing in the magazine that breaks down prices. Everything else is more about just like the actual products and stuff like that. But the products that they're featuring in the magazine aren't in my box or listed on here. So for example, it says annual members had the option to customize their box from the following grouped selections. The Causebox team made selections for quarterly members. And then it says every fall box includes the following products: Core Bamboo, the Bamboo Surf Set, and the Way of Will Brightening Face Serum. And then from my understanding, we would either get this or this, this or this. But I don't have any of the items listed here. So it was either a Bath and Waffle bathrobe in mint or charcoal or a Bath and Waffle towel set in mint or charcoal. I didn't get either of those items. Or the Tea's Tea Glass 3-in-1 tea and fruit tumbler or the Artisan Direct Milky Way lantern. I didn't get that either. I did get the Volim Love Scrub, which has a $56 value. I also received the Tribe Alive Rose Gold Crisscross Cuff, which has a retail value of $42. I received the Green Co. set of 10 reusable facial rounds, which has a retail value of $10. That is so cheap. I love that. Or you received Buzzy Seeds Basil Grow Kit, which is a retail value of $10. The Core Bamboo Surf Set has a retail value of $35, and the Way of Will Face Brightening Serum has a retail value of $37.50. That's all that's in here, and I received so much more than that. For example, like here are the products that they were talking about. There's not the bowls, there's not the reusable lids, there's not the reusable storage containers for these, for example, or all three of the, maybe that's what happened. Maybe I was supposed to get one of these items and for some reason things just got switched up, and instead of receiving this or this, I received two of these, if that makes sense. I really honestly don't know, because I'm also not seeing them in here at all. Like there's some recipes and stuff like that, and there's like for example, there's this tea tumbler that I keep seeing, but there isn't the water bottle. So I really don't know. I'm not even mad though, because I genuinely enjoyed this box. There are so many items in here, except for these two extras, because my sister wanted one. So the one that I did get that's mine, I'm gonna give to her. Put this mess up, I guess is what I'll call it, aside. There isn't anything in here that I'm like, oh yeah, I'm not gonna use that, or oh man, I feel like that's overpriced, because everything is sustainable I don't know. I don't really know what else to say except I'm absolutely thrilled with this box, and I'm genuinely upset that I haven't signed up for this sooner. So that is everything that I received in my fall Causebox. What was your favorite item in this box? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video.